everybody, Dr. Christina Blanchard Horan here, your Mystic Yogi, about to get started with a short flow. We're trying some new things, so bear with me. Let's do it. Join me on the mat, see if you can do it too. Come on, let's go. So what are we gonna do today? I have a list. All right, I have a list. I'm gonna let you know we're gonna do the cobra, a pose some call Lotus, but I call Salavanasana, and the frog pose, as well as the bow pose. I'm looking over here at my list in case you're wondering, because, you know, 63. Okay, so let's start out with that cobra. Cobra. Oh, yes. See, again, here we go. All right, so let's start out on our knees. And then we're gonna stretch it out. I like getting down there the hard way. Okay, and then we're gonna go down to the mat. Relax your hands for a sec. And then we're gonna bring your arms up here where your shoulders are, about shoulder. And then spread your legs a little bit, separate your knees, and wiggle around just a smidge. Get yourself comfortable, and then rise up. Oh. How about that? Rise up. Can you raise your arms all the way? I can't. It hurts my patella, my kneecaps. So I'm going to get here. I'm going to stretch my arms out just a little. How's that? And just relax your bottom. It's okay. You're really stretching your back. Keep your shoulders in that nice away from your ears position. You don't want to be doing this, okay? You want your arms, your shoulders back. And if you can stretch your arms, great. And now exhale and go down. We're gonna do it 3 times because 3 is a charm. It's a trinity, it's a lot of things. 3 is a good number. All right, here we go. And we're gonna inhale, rise up, and hold it. 2, 3, and drop it down. Daisy May scratching on the door. Okay, Daisy. Oh, I got an itch. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I just scratch my booty? I got it in. Y'all excuse me. I am so real. All right, let's go one more time. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Watch your patella. Shoulders back. And drop it down. Okay, I have to let the dog in. So just pick yourself up and back into that tabletop position and meet me in the hero pose. All right, like this. And then we'll get started on the next pose. I have to let Daisy May in. Hang on just a second. Here, girl. All right, go lay down. Go lay down. I know this is your blanket. Go lay down. I've been watching her stuff. All right. And we were, I left you, lay down. Good job. I left you in the hero pose. Okay. Lay down. She's not listening to me. Stay where you are. Okay. Upward facing dog. We should have just moved from the cobra to the upward facing dog. Let me just say, but we're just gonna start over, okay? So just like you're starting from scratch. With each one of these, I'll try and do them like, oh, well, we just got here. What are we gonna do? We've already done our stretching, right? You wanna do your stretching before you start these poses, and I've been working on this all day. Oh, it feels so good. Let's do a little cat pose. All right, because we're gonna stretch that lower back. We're gonna do a bow, and hopefully my dog won't step on my head. While I'm doing it, please go lay down. Do you need a treat? Oh, honey bunny. Stay where you are. All right, let's lower it down. Again, you wanna lower it down. You can get there a couple of different ways. This time we're going to separate our feet a little bit, and we're going to bring our hands to the mat. Good girl. Good girl. All right, and now we're going to raise them up. Tighten your tummy. Raise up your feet. Raise up your arms. Head straight. Shoulders back. Shoulder blades in. Woo! A little bit on the pelvic bone. Might need me a blanket here. Okay, let's drop it down. Oh, I'm so skinny. How about a little pillow? Ooh. Much better. Okay, let's do it again. So we're here, right? The camera's a little too close, but we're gonna, let me move it back just a little so you can see my tootsies. Excuse me. Excuse me. Here we go. All right. Are y'all ready? Everybody ready? All right, here we go. Lower it down. I see my feet now. All right, lower it down, and you're gonna lower your head. All right, I'm looking at you, but I'm gonna look my head down, and your neck should be straight. And your arms should be, uh-oh, and then, goodness, here she comes. Hopefully she won't knock you over. Ooh. Okay, and then pull it back. Hold it. Hold it. And drop it down. Life and Times of Dr. CBH. Daisy. Hey. Chillax. I think I gotta go check her. She won't shut up. I mean, or she won't be quiet. Hey, I'm coming. I'm coming. Come here. Come on. You know what? Girl. Awesome. Okay, good girl. Should have done that before. Okay. I hope I didn't lose anybody. Okay, let's go again. No, we're done. Okay, we're done with that one. Let's move on to the next pose, which is the Lotus. See, I should have stayed down there. So here we go again, and I probably need this again, right? There's like 3 poses. They're all on your tummy, and you can move from one to the next. And maybe what I'll do when I'm done is with these 3 poses, 1, 2, 3, 4 poses, I will do a little demo on how to move into each one. How's that? Okay, let's get started. All right, let's start now, actually. So we're gonna begin down here on your tummy. Put your hands around your shoulders length and push up. Oh, this is easier with that pillow. A lot easier with the pillow. Let me move up a little. I'm running into my table. Yeah. Okay. All right, so you're like this. Okay. Now we're going to move into an upward facing dog. Oh, really? Yeah. So now we're going to lay down, bring your hands back. This time, I don't want the pillow really. We're going to put our feet flat on the mat. Little. All right, feet flat on the mat. Push with your hands. You're going to push up and keep your shoulders away from your ears and raise your knees up. Woo. Keep your buns a little loose. And hold it. 2, 3, and supposed to look up. Oops. Okay, well, we get to do it again anyway. All right, here we go. We're going to do it again. I'm going to lay down for a sec. If you want to, you can do a quick cat. Ooh. Okay, and then let's get back down to our downward facing dog. Okay, we're going to do it right this time. Hands by your shoulders. Raise it up and push. Oh, that's not it. Push with your feet on the ground and look up. 2, 3, and okay, now we're going to do that boat pose. All right, 1, 2, 3, and relax that one. Now we're going to do something we haven't done yet, and it's called a frog pose. I'm going to see if I can do it without the pillow. Frog pose. We're still in the same position. Our legs are kind of the same. Might move them adjustment just slightly. You're gonna pull your feet up. Yes, I said pull your feet up and grab one foot and then just lay yourself down a little bit. And then, now this is where this might come in handy, right? So just tuck it like under this area, wherever you are that's like feeling a little stress, a little too much stress, okay? Let me go here again. All right, so I'm gonna grab my ankle and then I'm gonna let go and grab the other ankle and pull them down. Now, if you got knee issues like I used to have before I started doing yoga, yeah, you need to work on your yoga for a few years before you do this one. And there are a couple of variations to this, but basically you're in the boat pose with your hands grabbing your feet. Okay, and you can release those, and then we can move into a nice bow. Oops, if I can get my bow right. Come on, bow. Make it a little closer together. Definitely need the pillow. Okay, so it's not a graceful move from one to the other. Okay, so here we are. Head straight. Ooh, I just heard a pop. Tighten your buns a little bit. Shoulder blades together. Inhale and exhale. Ooh. I need a cat pose real quick. Curl your toes under and push your buns back. Oh, yeah. And let's just move it from side to side. Okay. There you go. And if you want to rotate, you can rotate into an upward facing dog. Right? Holding your shoulders back, knees off the mat. Nice, nice, nice. If you tighten your buns just a little bit, feels better on my lower back. All right, and then lower it down, knees to the mat. Nice little cat. Oh, here we go. Okay, let's rest it here. Oh, that was pretty good. I think we covered them all. Except, oh, the pigeon. So I always thought a pigeon was something else, be honest with you. But I learned through my yoga teacher training at my online training school. I'll tell you what it is in a minute. But they're really good. I really enjoyed the online training. They, presented this pose called the pigeon, and I was like, really? That's how you do it? Okay, so so first of all, we could start in like a downward facing dog. Let's just do that. Let's start with a downward facing dog, okay? And we're gonna raise, let me see. We're gonna raise one foot in the air, okay? Hold it there, stretch it out. Nice little stretchy stretch. And we're gonna bring it in for the pigeon pose, right? Or half pigeon. And tuck that leg down. Now, I know I won't be able to do all of this, and I don't have one of those fancy straps that a lot of yoga teachers have. I haven't gotten mine yet. So, I'm just gonna do the best I can. Now, we did the mermaid earlier, which is, my sciatica's acted up, oh God. Okay, yes, it's from all this stretching that I'm not used to doing so much in one day. But I wanna get this baby rocking and rolling. So here we are. And in this case, we're gonna grab our foot with our hand instead of locking it in like this. Trying to remember exactly. And I believe I'm supposed to pick up this hand, but I don't know if I'll be able to. Okay. Ooh. No locking there. Okay, so that's where I am. Breath. Exhale. Inhale. Oh, did they touch? Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Oh, I think that's the last one in this round. Overdooted. Okay. So let's meet in an easy pose because easy feels good right now. And wow, let's just take a second, take a breath. We can do a half kingfisher if you want. That, I think I like that one for this sort of a counter to all of this back movements that we've just been doing. So take one foot and put it on the other side of your knee, right? So you're kind of, let me turn it so you can see. Okay, so here we are. We got one foot here. They are so dirty. Oh, I've been walking in and out, working in my garden. Okay, forgive me. Okay, let's take this elbow. That's the opposite of the knee that you got going. Now, I don't know if you got your left or your right because I don't talk left and right. And take your elbow, your opposite elbow, and put it on your knee. And take the other hand and put it behind you. Just comfortably behind you. Take a deep breath and exhale and turn your body as you exhale. Take a deep breath and push it just a little further. Very good, very good, very good. Let's do one last time. Inhale, push it just a little bit further, exhale. Ooh, that feels so good. All right, let's release, let it go. Come around, we're gonna go around town, take this foot and swap them out. Back to your easy pose, move the other foot around. Okay, follow me so far. Get that foot kind of tucked up under your knee a little bit. You know, you want them tight. And then take this elbow, the opposite of the leg that's crookedy, up, and put it on your knee, all right? And then take the other hand, put it behind you. In fact, it might even be where you want it to be. It's like sometimes it just works that way. And take a deep breath, and then twist. Inhale, twist a little further. And inhale, and push a little further. Last but not least, hold it there for a moment. Take a deep breath, exhaling and coming out of your twist. Now your back's all back. It's not kitty whacked. Okay, so thanks so much for joining me, and catch me on the flyer next time around. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm wishing you a joyful and prosperous day. Namaste. Oh, shakalaka laka boom de boom de boom.